In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your background on Google Meet. This feature is a fantastic way to make your meetings a little more engaging, or even just add a bit of fun to your video calls. Whether you're looking for a professional setting or a playful theme, adjusting your background can enhance your video conferencing experience significantly. So let's dive right in and see how it's done. To begin with, we need to head over to Google Meet. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in the URL for Google Meet, or you can just search for it using your favorite search engine. Once you arrive at the Google Meet homepage, you'll see options to either join an existing meeting or create a new one. For the purposes of this tutorial, you can choose either option. If you're joining a meeting, just make sure you have the meeting code handy. Once you are in a meeting, direct your attention to the bottom of your screen. There, right in the middle, next to the button you would use to leave the call, you'll find three little dots. These three dots represent the More Options menu. Click on these dots and you'll see a drop-down menu with several different options. Among these options, you will find one labeled Backgrounds and Effects. Go ahead and click on this option and a new window will pop up on the right side of your screen. This pop-up window is your gateway to customizing and experimenting with your background settings. You'll be able to select from a variety of backgrounds and effects here. Whether you have a specific idea in mind or you just want to try out some different looks, you'll find a range of options to suit your needs. Some might be preset themes offered directly by Google, while others might allow you to upload your own images for a personalized touch. Play around a little and see what works best for you. Remember, you can always change your selection if you don't like how something looks on screen. The beauty of this feature is its flexibility, allowing you to switch from a serene beach to a virtual office background in a matter of seconds. Once you've chosen a background that you're happy with, you're all set. And there you have it, you're done. You've successfully customized your Google Meet background. This simple yet powerful tool is now at your fingertips, enhancing your video meetings with just a few clicks. Enjoy your meeting with a flair of personal touch, whether it's for work, school, or connecting with friends and family. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Enjoy your newly decorated virtual space, and I'll see you in the next video.